Just make dinner and do the damn dishes. So what do I mean by that? Look, gender roles are dumb. Just do you, okay? If you look at our household, I want to say I do probably 99% of the cooking. I do most of the dishes. My wife does the laundry. We split things up proportionally. We split it up evenly. I don't care what's supposedly a male role or supposedly a female role. That's all nonsense. There's no such thing. The biggest thing, the worst thing you can say to a dad is to call them Mr. Mom. Because no, that's just a dad being a dad. At the end of the day, my son liked pink for a long time, and guess what? I was fine with it. He still does. There's nothing wrong with liking certain things, with being a certain way, doing the dishes or showing domestication. I'm going to use air quotes, domestication. Cooking, cleaning, doing the dishes, doing the laundry. All that shows someone is that you're self-sufficient, is that you could take care of yourself, that you could take care of others. And guess what? That translates into every aspect of your life. If you're willing to take responsibility for yourself and your environment, well, how does that bleed through to your job or to the workplace or to whatever it is that you're doing in life? You're showing responsibility. You're being a responsible human being. So the advice I have for today is just do the damn dishes. Clean up after yourself. Take an art class. It doesn't matter what it is. Don't get stuck in gender roles, okay? If you grow up and you marry someone and you're a guy, right? And you marry a woman or another dude or whatever it is, I don't care. It doesn't matter. If you get married and it's supposed to be that you make all the money but they do instead, dude, embrace it. Be happy. It's not about those different statuses in life. It's about finding that love connection, finding that soul connection, and just forget about the gender roles, all right? This is something that's been put on us for years and years and years, and none of it means anything, okay? If you're a dude and you want to sew, go sew. If you're a girl and you want to play baseball, go play baseball. It doesn't matter. I know that these are stupid stereotypes, but the point is valid. Gender roles are nonsense. Don't worry about them.